Recap Pro 2027 introduces an important enhancement to E57 support, addressing a common issue where scan rotation does not match image rotation, resulting in incorrectly oriented real views. This enhancement detects orientation mismatches during import and provides a new UI option that allows users to choose how to handle it. Users can either automatically align the scan and image orientations for a corrected view or retain the original orientation as exported. Recap Pro 2027 introduces improved point display density controls, giving users the ability to balance visual clarity and performance when working with large point cloud datasets. With adjustable density settings, users can increase point density for clearer, higher resolution visualization, especially when viewing data at longer distances, or reduce density to enable smoother, more responsive navigation. These enhancements create a more seamless and efficient viewing experience in the Recap viewer.